Everyone keeps asking me, what are the mantras to lead your life effectively? And I always tell them that there are 4 mantras which I feel can change your life, can make you lead, and can make you successful. And these 4 mantras, by the way, I'm a big fan of mathematics. So to me, these mantras are plus, minus, multiply, and divided by. Plus, minus, multiply, and divided by. As simple as that. Plus is all about adding a lot of memories, guys. To me, every day should count. To me, you should make most out of today. And I strongly feel that whenever human beings think about the past, they think about some great memories. In fact, if I ask you to now close your eyes for the next 3 seconds, by the way, I'm asking you to do that. Close your eyes for the next 3 seconds. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. And think about the memories you have gathered so far in your life. If you see, guys, you will only get 10 or 20 pictures in your mind. It's as simple as that. Nothing else. So to me, if we can create such memories in our future, in our present, that's how we are adding to our life. And that's the mantra to be successful. Second one, minus. Minus. To me, the biggest thing which you should subtract from your life is negativity. Negativity spreads faster than illness, my dear friends. If you can do that, in fact, there are too many reasons why you can feel negative at any point of time in life. And of course, negativity has to be there. But if you can take care of it to a larger extent, you will be nice and successful. The third one is multiplication. To me, everyone has to be a lifelong learner. And if it's about learning, guys, we have to learn quickly. It's about you learning from your teachers, mentors, coaches, and whatever they have learned in their 20 years, probably you learn it in 5 years or 3 years or 10 years. That's how you will accelerate your life. That's how you will accelerate things for you. So my dear friends, multiplication is the most important thing. How do we accelerate as quickly as possible? And the last one is divided by. To me, the fourth mantra, which is the most important mantra, is how are you using divided by in your life? And I use divided by doing one thing, which is my G divided by T greater than 1? I've talked about it in several videos. And I feel if you can do that, by the way, G is giving, T is taking. Whatever you have given to this world, vis-a-vis, whatever we have taken from this world, you would have been taking a lot from everyone in life, from situations, from teachers, from parents, from community, from society. So whatever you have taken and whatever you've given so far to the society, to the community, to your workplace, to your family, if your G by T is greater than 1, which means you've always given more than what you have taken. So my dear friends, always remember plus, minus, multiply and division. And that's the secret of having a great life. Thank you.